Hey guys, it's Sonic from Game Dance, and this is really exciting because I'm doing an unboxing video, and this thing just came out today. It's the brand new Nintendo 3DS XL. Let me read it. Super stable 3D XL screens, C-stick, and NFC function for Amiibo. Look. One second, I'll show you. See? It's awesome. I'm back because I was on the internet. Okay, let's unbox this thing. Aha. And then I take this out. And oh yeah, and it's metallic blue. Sorry if it's backwards in the video because it's backwards on the screen. Come on! Guys, moment of truth. Here it comes. The brand new 3DS. There it is. Only came out today. Just came out today. And I'm lucky enough to have it. Look, this moves. And here's the seat. Oh, another bit of rock. Oh god, it hit the ground. It's not working. Do you like metallic blue? See? Hi. Hi. You can see me. You see? Hello. That's funny. So, guys, are you ready to start it? Let's start it. Start. It's not starting! It's not starting! Guys, I just figured out why it wasn't on because my dad just told me. It's not charged. AR cards. What the hell is this? Can you tell me in the comments below what the hell that is? I don't know what that beep that is. Guys, we actually thought that it didn't come with a charger, but my dad
It doesn't come with a charger.
it doesn't have a charger. So I got it, guys. Now, under this now, I'm plugging this, and then the charging point. There we go, guys. Charging. Okay, guys, it's charging. Now I'm opening it. Yeah. Here it is. Does the charger on? Still not turning on. It's very shiny. And if you open it up, this is what it looks like. So over here, yeah, I'll do if you want the term 3D. Wait. Over here it's volume. Over here, yeah, this is the volume place, and this is where it. What? And this is where it asks you to if you want 3D on or off. Does it turn off? Here are the buttons A, B, Y, X, and then the start and select, and above that is a button, I don't know, and then there's these buttons, and there's a roll bag, and guys, if you look down here, this place right here, that's where you put your Amiibo. Things like Smash Brothers. So that's the review. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to comment and have a comment and a like, and favourite this if you want. Remember to share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe for more fabulous content. This Game.Sunny signing out. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.